Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So if you have shaky hands and you want to know how to put liner and you know the tips and tricks for the shaky hand, that you have to keep your hand steady on the table and then apply the liner and everything, but still if you have shaky hands, then this tip might work for you. So to know that, then watch the whole video, then you will understand much more about it. So let's begin. You need an eyelash curler for this. Any eyelash curler will be fine for this. You need gel liners, so any kind of gel liners will be fine for this. So what you need to do is take the brush, dip it inside the gel liner. I don't know if you can see. We have to put the liner on this part, exactly this part. See, if you can see, I have applied a liner there. I don't know on black can be seen or not, but that's how it should be done. You can't use liquid liners on this because it gets dry pretty fast. So while applying it, it will be already dried and then you can't apply it properly. So this is the reason why we don't use liquid liners and we use gel liners. So to be honest about it, it took me like 4 to 5 practices to be used to this and get the result. Hold it for like this, hold it for like 30 seconds and lightly press it. So the 30 seconds are over. Let's see what happens. I might not get it, I might get it. Yeah. As you can see, this part has not been like touched. It's so untouched, and if you can see this near the lash line, there is not much of pigmentation, but the rest area is like very nicely set. So that's what I was saying, that it takes practice and patience to achieve it, but once you are like in a free time you can do it, and once you have achieved it, it becomes so easy to apply. Now the rest we can complete, like the lash line. So I've done a similar thing on my left eye. So finally this eyeliner is complete. So if you find this video informative, then please like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.